Have you ever wished you could turn a rough sketch into a stunning professional design in seconds? No long hours, no complicated software, just one click, and boom, your idea is alive. That's exactly what Kittl Flows does. It's not just a tool, it's like having a personal design studio that works at lightning speed. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go from idea to masterpiece in seconds, explore infinite design variations, and even create complete matching sets, all without breaking a sweat. So, if you're ready to level up your design game and see some serious creative magic, let's dive in. Before we jump into the practical part of Kittl Flows, let's first understand what it actually is. Kittl Flows is a brand new feature that lets you turn any idea into endless variations instantly. You can transform your rough drafts into polished, professional designs in seconds, and even create matching sets with just a single click. Think of it like this: you can explore infinite creative directions. Start with any design idea or even a template, and with one click, Kittl Flows will generate multiple variations for you to explore different colors, themes, and style. And it's not just about variations. You can literally go from a hand-drawn sketch to a fully finished design in one click. Just drop in your sketch and Kittl Flows will instantly turn it into a high-quality design. Plus, it's perfect for scaling designs. You can create full icon packs, illustration sets, or mock-ups that are all perfectly matched to your brand. For example, design one icon, hit generate, and Kittl Flows will create the rest of the set for you. Now that you have an overview of what Kittl Flows can do, let's move on to the practical part where I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. This is my rough sketch, and I'm going to turn it into multiple designs with just one click. I'll show you how to create a design from scratch using Kittl Flow. First, select your artboard. Once it's selected, you'll see the Add Smart Artboard option on the right side. Click it. A new Smart Artboard will appear. At the top, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. For this first example, I'll turn my rough sketch into a vector design. Just type your prompt and click Generate. And there it is. My rough sketch has been instantly transformed into a clean vector design. Kittl created it in just one click. Now I'm going to take it a step further and turn this text into a floral print graphic. Again, select the artboard, click Add Smart Artboard, and type your new prompt. For this one, I'll use turn this design into a floral graphic with a bright, non-dense boho-style floral pattern inside the text. Click Generate. Our simple vector text is now a boho-style floral print, and it looks amazing. So far, I've gone from a rough sketch to vector design to floral print, all in smooth flow. Let's add this design to a women's t-shirt mock-up. Write your prompt to place the print on a mock-up, click Generate, and done. It looks awesome. See, I'm doing everything with just one click and a prompt from rough sketch to final mock-up. That's the magic of Kittl Flows. Now, let's do another example for a t-shirt graphic. Repeat the process, select the artboard, add a smart artboard, and type your prompt. This time, turn this text into a stunning graphic by filling the letters with the American flag pattern. The flag design should be clearly visible within the text, creating a bold and patriotic effect. Click Generate. Kittl instantly creates a striking American flag text design. It looks fantastic. And yes, it all came from a rough sketch in a single click. That's how easy Kittl is. Let's put this one on a mock-up too. Same steps, select your artboard, click Add Smart Artboard, type in your prompt, and hit Generating. In just seconds, my design appeared on the mock-up. How fast is that? Kittl Flow really makes the process quick and effortless. Now, let's try another example. This time I'll create a watercolor graphic for a tote bag. We'll follow the same steps. Select the artboard, add a smart artboard. write the prompt, and click Generate. The result is a soft, multicolored watercolor design that's perfect for a tote bag. You can even move your artboard anywhere on the workspace for better positioning. Next, let's place this design on a tote bag mock-up. Once generated, it looks absolutely beautiful. The graphic fits perfectly and really stands out. Similarly, I've created other graphic styles using the same method. For example, I designed a retro-style wall art piece for a coffee shop. I also experimented with a stylized chrome text effect, perfect for turning any word or phrase into an eye-catching design. To achieve this effect, I used a specific prompt, which I'll share in the description below. And that's it! From a simple rough sketch to a polished final mock-up, all in just a few clicks with Kittl Flows. It's fast, it's creative, and it makes the design process unbelievably easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment.